The Traveler's Night in the Somali countryside. A long time ago, a traveler wandered through the vast sun-baked Somali plains. As dusk painted the sky in shades of orange and purple, he encountered a welcoming family in their traditional dome-shaped house in Somalia. "Assalamu alaikum," he greeted, weary from his journey. "I'm traveling far and seek shelter for the night." With open hearts, the family invited him in. They spread a colorful, woven mat for him to rest and offered him food. As the moon rose, the animals returned home. The family, honoring their guest, prepared a special meal, sacrificing a sheep. The traveler, claiming a poor appetite, devoured the meal alone, leaving none for his hosts. Curious, the head of the family inquired, "Where does your journey lead, and what drives you forth?" "To seek a doctor," the traveler replied, patting his stomach. "My appetite is poor, and I eat but little." Amazed at the irony, the host chuckled and advised, "When your appetite returns, please travel a different road home, for you consume one sheep now. What might you eat when cured?" The moral of the story is the richness of Somali hospitality and the humor in the traveler's unintended greed. So children, it's very important we avoid greed and also encourage hospitality to people who travel.